Hello guys, welcome back for another video. Service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Volkswagen Up 2016 model. I had some inquiries about this car on how to change the menu, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars, indicators. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition off, then press this button over here, the 0.0 set button. Keep pressing that, and while you press that, turn the ignition on to the second position. And this, as shown in my previous video, is the menu to reset the car. And you're gonna use the right thumbstick over here. Go to settings by pressing it down. Cancel it. And once you've cancelled it, a new menu opens over here. Then you can scroll through the menu by going down and up. Go to settings. There is also a button over here. Press that, and then as you can see, the area for language appears. Press this button over here and then scroll for different languages. In this case, let's say we're gonna go Dutch. Confirm it with this button. Once you've done that, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition. As you can see, the language has set to Dutch. Once again, in the reverse option, ignition off, press, turn on the ignition, go down with the right thumbstick, press this button to cancel, then find options, confirm, language, find English, confirm, turn the ignition off, and as you can see, now the menu is set to English. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for your time for watching this video, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.